You can use Windows PowerShell more easily and effectively by first understanding its background and intended use. This powerful command line shell and scripting language is designed for robust system administration. In this module, you'll explore PowerShell and its various versions, gaining crucial insights. You'll also learn to open and configure host applications like the Windows PowerShell console and the Integrated Scripting Environment, or ISE. Finally, discover how to leverage Microsoft Visual Studio Code, an open-source AI code editor, for developing PowerShell scripts. Visual Studio Code offers a customizable environment with extensions, integrated terminal, and powerful debugging tools. Welcome to this module on PowerShell. After completing it, you'll gain essential skills and knowledge. You'll be able to describe Windows PowerShell, understanding its core functionalities and major versions. You will also identify the common Windows PowerShell hosting applications, crucial for effective scripting. We'll cover important points to consider when using PowerShell, ensuring best practices and efficient workflows. You'll learn how to configure both the Windows PowerShell console host and the Windows PowerShell ISE host. Finally, you'll understand how to effectively use Visual Studio Code for PowerShell scripting, enhancing your development process. To get the most from this learning path, it assumes you have skills and experience with several key technologies. These include Windows Server and client administration, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Basic security best practices and Windows networking technologies, including implementation, are also assumed. Lastly, core networking technologies such as IP addressing, name resolution, and Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP, are important. With these prerequisites, you're ready to dive deep into the world of PowerShell.